Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Naik. Today I need to discuss about some problem of integration. This is element of mathematics exercise 9e bit 4 question number 1. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. The question is given integration of sin x, integration of sin inverse x dx. Okay, you see there is only a function sin inverse x given, so here I can write 1 into sin inverse x dx. You see by parts can apply here. Okay, I let e invertial function, logarithmic function, algebraic function, trigonometric function, exponential function. The function which will come first in this order we can say u, and the next one is b. You see I inverse, yes, there is inverse function given, that is u is equal to sin inverse. I will take u is equal to sin inverse. 1 is given, nothing given, that means 1 is given, that is v is equal to 1. Okay, so we can use this by parts formula here, that means is equal to, you see, u into integration of v dx minus integration of derivative of u into integration of v dx entire integration dx. That is we have to write here u means sin inverse x, that is sin inverse x integration of 1 dx, that is only dx, minus integration of derivative of sin inverse x, okay, integration of dx, total integration dx. Okay, sin inverse x integration of dx, that is x, minus integration of derivative of sin inverse x, that is 1 by root over 1 minus x square, integration of dx, that is x dx. Okay, is equal to, I can write x sin inverse x, I can write x first, minus this is x by root over 1 minus x square, x by root over 1 minus x square dx. Now you put 1 minus x square is equal to t square. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, you can get minus 2x is equal to 2t dt by dx. Okay, 2 will cancel out, that is x dx minus x dx is equal to t dt. We not need here x dx given, that is x dx is equal to minus t dt. Okay, that means is equal to x sin inverse x minus, okay, x dx is equal to minus t dt. This minus and this minus become plus. Okay, you see this minus x dx equal to minus t dt, this minus become plus. Okay, integration of t dt by, you see 1 minus x square is equal to t square, we need root over 1 minus x square, that is root over t square, that is t. Okay, t and this t will cancel out, is equal to x sin inverse x plus integration of dt, that is t plus c, is equal to x sin inverse x plus t is equal to how much? Root over 1 minus x square plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. The question is given integration of x sin inverse x. Okay, u is equal to how much? Sin inverse x, because inverse will come first. V is equal to how much? X, is equal to, by parts formula can apply here, sin inverse x integration of x dx minus integration of derivative of sin inverse x integration of x dx, total integration dx. Okay, is equal to sin inverse x integration of x dx, that is x square by 2. Okay, minus integration of sin inverse x derivative of sin inverse, that is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Okay, integration of x dx, that is x square by 2 dx. Okay, is equal to sine inverse x. You write here x square by 2 sine inverse x minus this is equal to 1 by 2 x square, taking common 1 by 2 because 1 by 2 is constant, x square by root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay, here you see x square by 2 sine inverse x, a little adjustment is required. You write plus half minus x square by root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay, is equal to x square by 2 sine inverse x plus half. You write uh, plus 1 minus 1, 1 minus x square plus 1. Okay, 1 minus x square minus 1, 1 added and 1 subtracted by root over 1 minus x square dx is equal to x square by 2 sine inverse x plus half. You see integration of 1 minus x square by root over 1 minus x square. Okay, 1 minus x square by root over 1 minus x square. That means how much? 1 minus x square is equal to 1 minus x square into root over 1 minus x square into root over 1 minus x square by root over 1 minus x square. 1 root over 1 minus x square cancels out, so we can get here root over 1 minus x square. Okay, root over 1 minus x square minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay, is equal to how much? You see x square by 2 sine inverse x plus half. You see root over 1 minus x square, that is integration of root over 1 minus x square 1 minus x square minus half integration of 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx. Here you write also, here you write dx also. Okay, is equal to x square by 2 sine inverse x plus half. This is equal to 1 minus x square dx, that is x by 2 root over 1 minus x square plus a square by 2, a is equal to 1 here, a square by 2, that is 1 square by 2, that is 1 by 2 sine inverse x by a, x by a, x by 1, that is only x. Okay, minus half. Okay, integration of 1 by 1 minus x square, that is sine inverse x, sine inverse x, sine inverse x plus c. Okay, is equal to, you see, x square by 2 sine inverse x plus x by 4 root over 1 minus x square, x by 4 root over 1 minus x square plus 1 by 4 sine inverse x minus half sine inverse x plus c. Okay, is equal to, here you see sine inverse sine inverse sine inverse x, that is x square by 2. Here you see 1 by 4 sine inverse x minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to how much? 4. This is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4 sine inverse x. Okay, these two I have added, then plus x by 4 plus x by 4 root over 1 minus x square plus c. Okay, pause the video, note it down. Next you see the third question, integration of cos inverse x dx. Okay, here also integration of 1 into cos inverse x dx. U is equal to cos inverse x, v is equal to 1. Okay, by parts formula can apply here. Okay, that is cos inverse x root over 1 dx, that is only dx, minus integration of derivative of cos inverse x. Okay, integration of dx, enter integration dx is equal to cos inverse x, integration of dx is equal to x minus derivative of cos inverse x, that is 1 by minus root over, you see, minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square, integration of dx, that is x. Okay, dx, you see, minus minus become plus, you write here x cos inverse x, x cos inverse x, this minus become plus, or x by root over 1 minus x square dx. Now you put 1 minus x square is equal to t square. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. Okay, minus 2x is equal to 2t dt by dx. Okay, 2 will cancel out, x dx is equal to minus t dt. Okay, so here you can get x cos inverse x plus x dx equal to minus t dt, you write minus here t dt by root over 1 minus x square, you see 1 minus x square is equal to t square, root over 1 minus x square is equal to root over t square, that is t. Okay, t will cancel out, is equal to x cos inverse x minus integration of dt is equal to x cos inverse x minus t plus c is equal to x cos inverse x minus t is equal to root over 1 minus x square plus c. Pause the video, note it down.